On April 16, 2018, Lorain, Ohio, Officer John Kovac, disapproving of his daughter's relationship with 18-year-old Makai Coleman, tracked her laptop to a location. Spotting Coleman's car nearby, he pulled it over.
You can get out. You're going to jail. Get out of my car. We'll make it up as we go.
It's clear this isn't a routine stop. Kovac's actions are personal, emotional, and an unlawful misuse of authority.
Any guns, knives, weed on you? What's that?
Obviously.
Go ahead and get smart before I can do something to you, even more.
The passenger door opens, revealing another friend of his daughter, but she's still missing.
I tell you get out of the car? Did I tell you get out of the car?
On a road that flows 12. Sales advising a white female on a blue Jeep, find them with a gun and permit.
Your dad know my daughter's in your house?
My dad?
Yeah. Or is your ma there?
We'll double check and make sure she has that 1015.
Kovac conveniently stopped them near the friend's house, spoke with the mother, and checked inside, recalling his daughter's laptop.
Why is her computer there?
Why would your daughter be in my house?
I don't know. You know, so if I check and you're lying to me, you're going to jail. She's getting a ticket because she wasn't wearing her seatbelt. So that's going to cost you your daughter. It's your information. You're getting a ticket for not wearing your seatbelt.
I had my seatbelt.
No, you didn't. You can go to court then.
It becomes clear he's abusing his power for personal matters, prompting the woman to speak up.
You're being disorderly. Would you like to go to jail?
You're making this
You're being
personal.
disorderly.
How am I being disorderly?
She wasn't wearing her
I
seatbelt.
was wearing my seatbelt. How am I being this? You're making this personal. You want to take my daughter because you think your daughter is in my house.
No, she wasn't wearing her seatbelt.
I'm going to call 911.
The mother recognizes what's happening and calls out Kovac. In a panic to prevent her from reaching his colleagues, he releases her daughter without a ticket, only to discover something unforeseen.
Go ahead with your mom. I'm letting her go with you. I didn't even see you. Get out of the car. Get in my car. Get in my car. Goodbye.
What?
Goodbye.
Caitlin, the officer's daughter, had been hiding in McLean's car, terrified of her father. Her fear proved valid as he forcibly took her into his vehicle.
Get in my car.
You can't take me. I am 18. Why are you taking me?
Get in my car.
Why are you taking me? You have to give me a reason. By law, why are you pushing me? Why?
Get in my
Why
car.
are you doing this? Turn on your camera, my guy. Turn it on.
Get in my car.
You can't arrest me for no reason. You can't.
Why are you putting her in the car?
She was suicidal yesterday.
I was not.
She wasn't even with
You
you.
weren't even with me yesterday.
Just say, well,
Yesterday.
Friday. Get in the car.
Friday, I was not.
Get in the car.
Caitlin, a legal adult who had committed no crime, was forced into her father's car under the guise of needing a psychological evaluation. Kovac's behavior was later ruled illegal and improper. Later, a detective investigated at Miss Morales' home, and an internal affairs probe led to Officer Kovac's dismissal from the Lorain Police Department.
You weren't even with me.
On September 5th, 2023, officers responded to a report of a woman driving erratically, nearly colliding with another vehicle and swerving between lanes.
So we got a call for a 47. It was a black SUV with that license plate number. So the vehicle was parked right here. Okay, so I parked down there by the Key Energy to try to see the vehicle pull out so I can get observation of the vehicle because we had a caller that didn't want contact. So she took off driving, went southbound and then kind of hit the curb real hard, almost hitting that fence, and then a mod blocked her in.
Yo, get this mother out of my car.
Desiree, step out of the car.
Wait.
Huh? Well, my name's Officer Solomon with the House Police Department, okay? The reason I'm making contact with you is because we got a call in that you're intoxicated driving, okay? Obviously, when I saw you, you just drove onto a curb and almost struck a fence, okay? So I'm gonna need you to step out. You can stay in the car, just give me your key fob. Where's the key fob, girl? Do you have it on you?
No.
There it is.
Oh, like, really?
You're not getting any Because who you know, it don't matter, okay? You know it's against the law to be driving under the influence, correct? I don't know why you think you're above the law because who you're dating. You're gonna get out of the car, I'm gonna have to pull you out.
The intoxicated suspect, the sergeant's girlfriend, was found in a black Mitsubishi Outlander. Despite the strong alcohol smell, she resisted arrest, possibly expecting special treatment due to her relationship.
Okay, we're not playing a game like you did with the other officers, okay? Are you gonna get out of the car?
What game are we playing?
I'm not playing any game with you. Are you gonna get out of the car, yes or no?
No.
Okay.
I have one out on the garage.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Really? Oh, what the f***?
You're gonna listen. You don't get any favors because who you're dating. You understand that? Don't resist.
I want to stop. I can call all your shit.
Stop.
No.
Yeah, stop. You already messed up. Stop, man.
We're 15 one
You're
time.
not wrong.
Stop.
You're wrong. Stop. You did this. That's on you. That is not on those
Deputies
officers.
coming from 1300 block of Miss West.
You're in cuffs. I don't know why you're doing that.
I'm sorry.
You're all right.
I'm sorry.
I mean, I don't know her issue.
I'm so embarrassed. I tried.
Was the child inside the car? You grabbed the car. You grabbed the kid?
Yeah, I watched him get the kid out of the car
Yeah, I did.
as I was pulling
Okay, get the child's information.
Yeah. I saw it on the way and I called
No,
Sergeant.
he was doing what he was supposed
Yeah,
to
no,
do.
I know.
She started rolling and I didn't want her to.
No, I know. I called Sergeant on the way over here because I saw the
I
return.
got way too much of my.
Des, relax. Come on.
Hey, I got no part of none of this. Okay?
Despite being warned not to kick the officers, the situation worsened with continued foul language, making it a tough encounter for law enforcement.
So you were telling her get out?
Yeah, I was
and
saying,
then she
you're going to
said,
get out of the car. She's like, no, I'm not getting out. And then that's when I grabbed her left arm. And then I pulled it. She kind of buckled to her legs, or like to her knees. I picked her up. And then I think that at that time she started putting her nails in my fingers and my... I haven't seen in a while. I got enough.
I know.
Here, I'll take a picture of this guy.
Hey, Desiree. So obviously we know you were driving, right? And I can clearly smell that you were drinking. I don't know your whole situation. I don't know what's going on. But I just wanted to ask you, do you want to submit to some tests to see if you're fit to drive?
You have to told me.
I
What?
don't know why he would say that. Go ahead and
He
get out.
said he f***ed you.
I don't know why he would
As
say
a
that.
subordinate. Okay, let's go. He told me he f***ed you.
Get up.
Get up.
Get up or you're going to go...
Get up.
You're going to catch more charges.
Get up. No, I don't give a f***. Hey,
get up.
No, he told me.
Get up. Get in there.
He told. Get up. I will. You will not. Get in there.
That's enough.
Stop.
That's enough. Now knock it off. I'm not going to tell you again. You're going to knock it off. You're not going to come out here and kick one of my deputies.
Thank you.
Are you going to stop?
you.
Are you going to
Thank you
stop?
for the evidence.
Are you going to...
Is your name John Evans?
Huh?
She kicked.
The deputy quickly found a bag of alcohol in the car's front seat. Holding the empty container, the deputies considered asking Desmarais to take a breathalyzer test.
I'm good.
What'd she say with the bike? She refused.
She refused.
Were you gonna run the test or not? Yeah? Well, we gotta get off here so we can run the test. Well, unfortunately that can't happen. So, are you gonna run the test or not? This is gonna be the last time I tell you. You've already been read implied consent 5 times. Are you gonna take the test or not? If you say anything other than a yes or a no, that's your answer is no. If you say yes, then we'll get you in here, we'll take the test. Those are your options.
Her breath test result of .36 showed a dangerously high level of intoxication, representing a serious violation of driving laws.
If I don't pass this,
You said you were going to take the test. Right now we're here. Now it's time to take the test, okay?
I'm telling you, if I
Desiree.
fail, I will not have my
Okay,
kid.
if the machine tones out, we're going to take it as a refusal and we're just going to take you right over to the jail. A big blow. Breathe in real big. Keep going. We still need this second test before we can figure everything out. So in a second, you're going to do the same thing you did already. Same thing.
The suspect faced multiple charges, including aggravated DU, child abuse, battery on officers, resisting arrest, reckless driving, open container, and lane violations.
I need you to come out here for me.
Stop.
I need you to come out here.
No, listen to me. Don't.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you one more time. How are you gonna get out?
Days after Christmas 22, police in New Jersey investigated a hit and run where a white vehicle knocked down a traffic light. The car, with a missing bumper part, was later found at a nearby gas station, but the driver was unexpected.
Therefore, be advised, we spoke with the person who observed the crash. They stated it was a Toyota, four-door, most likely a Camry, or similar model. Come back from Applebee's?
Yeah, I had a drink.
Okay. How old are you?
21.
You're 21?
Yeah.
My
dad is,
What was that?
John Lee.
John Lee? Okay.
The officers at the scene were certain the situation had gone far beyond that. Teresa's story doesn't make sense, and she has a trick up her sleeve that she hopes will get her out of this.
Your bumper's in the road over there. Okay, did you just hit that pole?
No, I promise you I did
No?
not.
So if someone brings that bumper over here, it's not going to match up perfectly. You're coming from Applebee's, you're telling me. You went out that way. Everything's matching up. Witnesses said they saw a white car cross over in this direction, and I happen to find your car parked here with no bumper.
This part was hanging off already because I already hit something.
Okay.
When I hit a deer in Pennsylvania.
Do you smoke marijuana recreationally? No?
I do not smoke marijuana universally.
In just a few minutes, Teresa mentions her dad multiple times, hoping he'll help her out. But before he can intervene, the cops start uncovering the truth from her.
Can I call my dad, who's a sheriff's officer?
A whole bunch of stories.
You're at Pennsylvania. You can ask my dad. Please ask my dad. Yes.
So you want to just tell the truth?
Yes, I'm telling you the
So
truth.
way after Applebee's, did you hit a traffic pole?
I think I hit something. I remember hitting something.
You can't miss it. It lights up. It's red, green, and yellow.
I remember hitting something after Applebee's. But
Okay.
I'm saying, like,
And then did you drive away because you're scared because you had maybe had one drink and you think you're drunk?
Yeah.
And you might get arrested, but you don't seem like you're drunk?
Yes.
Is that what's going on? So you drove away because you're scared?
Yes.
So you might get some tickets and maybe you might get arrested? Is that why?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're starting to tell the truth, right?
With the truth revealed, detectives speak to her father, John, only to find he's not there to help. John confirms Teresa hit a deer earlier, causing damage to the front right bumper, but insists it wasn't nearly as severe as the current damage to the car.
Hey, John, how are you? So your daughter with a traffic wall and a airport I don't know if she's just nervous and scared, or the damage on the car.
Okay, the damage on the car there, I think, if I'm trying to remember off the top of my head, it was like the front right bumper.
Okay, how bad was the front bumper?
It was a little bit of damage.
It seems Teresa won't get the help she hoped for from her dad. Just 5 minutes later, he arrives to speak with the cops.
Okay, so what's up? So, what she's saying, like, and where the damage was and everything, just doesn't really make too much sense, so tried to get some more information out of her, but
figures out another soul out there, right? So what it was is, basically, this was intact.
Okay.
This piece was missing, but these scratches here, that's all from a deer that she tried to do.
The officers expect John to defend his daughter, but soon realize he's just collecting information to assess the situation, reviewing her texts to build a timeline.
Who's your officers? So right now, this is going to be my call. Okay. Coming out. Okay, gotcha. He's going to be providing all details. Okay, who's your supervisor? Sergeant John Paul. Not that I'm dude. I'm just asking.
After her dad forced her into the police vehicle, Teresa was taken to the station for a blood alcohol test.
Where's my dad?
Oh, your dad's right over here.
You're in the car.
Right,
You're arrested for DUI. Go ahead.
Have a seat.
Take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. 5. If you refuse to provide samples of your breath, you'll be issued a separate summons for the refusal. A court may find you guilty of both refusal and driving while intoxicated.
Lee's BAC at the station was 0.17%, over twice the legal limit. She was issued a court summons for DUI, reckless driving, and not reporting the accident. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you never miss an update.